You can come to present Hyundai within Satanki Road. Opposite to the which is come and see the car. And in order to see the Hyundai Tucson, you can come and see the car. Hello guys, this is Bernard operating. This is the Hyundai Kona. I've come here. Today we are shooting in DSLR camera, vlogging in DSLR camera. This is a fully electric car. This is the Hyundai Kona, this is an electric car. Engine is very silent. I've seen the review videos of Motorbeam and Motorbeam video I'd seen the review of this car, official video.
So you just tell me, there is a couple of modes, 4 drive modes. One is this is the economy mode. Okay, I'll just show you. So here you can capture it, or here also. So when I see now this is economy mode. So next it's comfort mode. This is sports. And economy plus. 4 drive modes. Okay. So when you say economy plus, automatically the AC switches off. So that's you get the highest range.
The same power like MG EV or a different power, engine power?
Basically, the battery capacity is 44.5 kilowatt per hour in MG ZS, ZS EV, whereas the Kona is 39. It's little lower, 39.2 kilowatt per hour, and 142 horsepower is MG ZS EV, whereas Kona is 136 horsepower. And the third thing is about the torque. MG ZS is 349, 350 Newton meters is the torque, whereas Kona is 395 Newton meters of torque. Because you drove MG ZS?
No.
The performance wise it is excellent. Kona, I'm just talking here.
Pickup is good in this.
Absolutely, it is fantastic. No doubt.
Very silent motor.
Silent motor. You don't have noise at all when you compare to ZS or Tata Nexon. This is one of the amazing fit and finish and the refinement. It's excellent.
It comes in the middle of Tata Nexon and MG EV, no?
No. Actually, I'm just talking. I'm giving you a comparison of electric cars only. Electric cars as of now, apart from E2O, Mahindra Reva and Reva and Mahindra E2O. This is the first passenger segment, which in the premium class this car has been launched. Whereas this is priced around 24,85,000 on road. Okay, so Tata Nexon, they have 2 variants. One is 16 lakhs and one is 17 lakhs. Whereas MG ZS also it has got 2 modes, 2 variant, where one is 23 lakhs and one is 26 lakhs. So that's the variant difference in different manufacturer. So about the range of the car, so this particular car gives you a range of approx around 452 is the tested mileage. Whereas actually with AC in city, you can, the feedback of customers and what my car gives you is 350 kilometer range. So without AC, you can drive up to 370 to 380 kilometers. And in highways, there are chances if you drive it in between 80 to 90 kilometer speed, where you get a range of around 400 also. So this is a proven mileage which customer had sent the feedback and screenshots of the driven range. Car overall, it's excellent. No, like you don't have any comments about this. So people, and also about the charger, we provide you two types of charger. Actually, you'll have 4 types of charger which you can charge the vehicle. So you're aware about that?
I think Nexon they told one DC DC will come, they told me. On Bestcom side, one the DC but up from the Bestcom side they told me.
Yeah.
From here they told same that type.
The portable charger, fast charger, quick charger. In quick charger there are 2 things. Okay, let me explain you from portable charger. Portable charger is a normal household charger which 2.8 kilowatt, a 16 amp plug point which is required to charge your battery. So every household will have it. Okay. Whereas the fast charger requires a 7.2 kilowatt of electricity output, where you have to make a separate unit for that, along with wiring kit, and you have to install a separate meter for it. So that your battery can be charged in approximately around 6 hours. Your 100% battery can be charged. And in Bestcom also they have installed the quick charger, which is about 25 kilowatt. So that your 80% charge can be completed in 2 hours. Every Bestcom in Bangalore, most of the Bestcom has the fast charger. And the last thing is about the quick charger, where government is planning to invest in every Indian Oil petrol bunk in highway. Every 25 kilometers Indian Oil petrol bunk will have a quick charger, whereas in 57 minutes your 80% battery can be charged. So that's the beauty of this particular car.
And when it comes to when you go to any villages or districts, there how can we charge that car?
That's what I'm telling you. In villages, if at all, if you go for a village, so if you're just going and coming back, yes, of course, you might find difficult to charge. But if at all your hometown is a village and you wanted to charge the car overnight there, that is possible in the portable charger. Portable charger, you can charge it.
But you can tell me like the villages, the sockets will be not advanced what we're using in city.
Correct.
In cities, it has all 2-pin or old 90s switch. That one doesn't. It will just short circuit and you put the high power charger point. In that sense, I'm asking how we can charge the village.
Usually, if at all, if they are using a geyser or it requires a AH. So wherever you use a AH or a geyser oven, so here and all you can charge it. Yes, of course, whatever you told, I understand. But I think so as of now, until unless if it is a rainy season, then only power, you'll have a problem with the power. Or else normally there is no problem with the power supply in villages also. So 15 amp plug points, every residence will have a 2.8 kilowatt power supply. So that's a minimum what government gives to individual residents. So that should not be a problem to charge.
What's the top speed of this car can go?
Sorry?
What's the top speed in economic mode you can go up to?
See, top speed you can go up to safe and good speed is about 160. Okay, 150 is the recommended speed. That's a top speed. And whereas because this car has got an instant torque, it does really good throttle. Because that is the one reason what I can tell you that the car is really fast. Whereas 160 is a top speed idly what I have driven. So, and also the performance changes mode on mode. So economy, it will be like a normal conventional performance, but it is much better, and comfort would be better than economy. See, this is the one comfort, and sports is something like that is extraordinary. Sports is something like you change the mode. See, sports, it has got an instant torque. Just a moment, I'll take it for a. We are in 60. So just try this.
Three vehicles which will go on will
See, it is equivalent to this vehicles also. See, there is a Lamborghini going as well. So you got a good chance to test all those.
I'm telling like if you test Nexon EV, MG EV and this one,
this goes
this
faster.
one in 0 to 100 kilometers, this will go faster. Compared to the two cars. With the pickup is more in this car.
Goes really fast.
The lower torque is better in this car compared to MG and the Nexon. Compared to the braking, how's the braking in high speeds in this car?
Sorry?
How's the braking in high speeds, like 160 or?
It's excellent. Braking and all, it's all for disc brake. Whereas you have vehicle stability management and electronic stability control, so that the braking also is much faster when you compare to a normal.
After Nexon and MG, it is better braking, better power and
braking, everything it is excellent. Things where I can tell you. One is like we have vehicle to vehicle charging. Vehicle to vehicle charging is something called as, in case that is the limit within, see, in every metro station we have up to 200 kilometers that provision is available. In case if the vehicle charge is empty, we have a vehicle to vehicle charger. So other Kona will come and charge your car to reach your safe destination. So that is also there. And towing, we do have, in case of any problem, we do have towing facilities also.
What is the service cost for the vehicles? What is the service for
service cost? To tell you about the service, the periodic services every 10,000 or 1 year. So your maintenance is about, the first service is about only 4,000. Every 10,000 or 1 year you are supposed to change the automatic climate control filter. That will cost you around 4,000 rupees. That's the major service what you have. Apart from that, wheel alignment and wheel balancing.
Filters will come in the front of the car, like filters.
Which one?
All these filters will come in the front of the car.
Sir, everything it comes in front of the car.
AC, cabin filters, everything comes in.
Everything. Do you want to see a white car you want to display? We have a display in that showroom. Our Trident branch. If you want to take a white color vehicle photo with the display, then you can take the photo there.
Nothing. Nothing. This is enough.
This is enough, huh?
I saw one car that purchased yesterday. In our area, I saw one car, one China car I saw with different color. I saw color. When I was going, somebody taking a Chinese car I saw that there.
Okay.
If you're looking at James.
You want to go to the showroom?
No.
Huh?
No.
Not required, huh? We'll just check this below, electric car.
Like a showroom. This is costly. MG is costly. This is costly.
See, it is not about costlier. It is almost equal. No, nothing called costly. So equally you will have a price around. MG is much higher. If you want a fully loaded car, MG you are paying almost like close to 25 lakhs. More than 25 lakhs. Whereas this is something like it's very cheaper actually.
Another cheaper is Tata Nexon.
Tata Nexon, that is the Indian manufactured car. Only the battery technology, I think so. Battery technology is expensive. That battery technology is costlier because the car is made in India. Battery is only imported, the technology. Because of that, they have priced somewhere around 17-18 lakhs. Whereas the normal ICE engine, internal combustion engine would cost you around 12-13 lakhs, I guess.
That was some coolant that I'll put at the next one. 4 liters coolant will go in that car. They told me like that. When they launched, it was launched in Forum Mangla. There and we are there. And asked they told 4 liter coolant goes in that car. They told me like that something.
Okay.
This also coolant is there in this car.
Coolant. This coolant is called a lifetime coolant. Lifetime coolant. Once if you put the coolant, so that coolant should not be replaced. It is called a lifetime.
How much kilowatt you have to replace it? Like 1 lakh or 2 lakhs?
No, see, there are a couple of things where it is for 60,000. Some say it is 1 lakh. It is like that. Even I don't have a proper information about that.
In this also is 4 liters or is much higher coolant capacity?
I guess it is 6 liters.
MG also same only.
Same later, see the technology when they say 2-3 kilowatt of battery size doesn't make any difference for you.
This is MG and this is both like SUV type SUV type only the Nexon is a different category.
Yes, Nexon is a little different. This is all a premium segment vehicle.
This is a sub-meter 4-meter car.
No, it is not a sub-meter 4-meter. It is 4,658 mm is the length.
Same height of Hector MG or it's
height is much little lesser than the Hector, but length and all it is almost
same like MG only.
Yeah.
Ground clearance same only.
Yes.
Like yearly you told the service you told, like how much you should keep in you should keep for the company services, like what's the actual amount we should keep for this car, like the service total cost, yearly cost
You will be spending around 4,000 rupees for service.
It's much cheaper for this premium car.
Yes.
So when I saw the Audi R8, Audi R8 is much costly than that one servicing cost.
Yes.
The same power Audi R8 cost. One model once he told you 1 lakh rupees you have to spend for a car servicing. Insurance, the tires, coolant, brake pads, something he told that for every service he that car Audi R8. When you compare that kind of engine power we are getting in this car, you see the servicing is so cheap about and 4 to 5,000 rupees.
Okay.
In servicing, this is the cheapest car.
Yes.
In the premium
cheapest
segment.
car is this is the one.
In servicing, power and power, torque and everything.
Everything it is high class. There is nothing like this performance. So electric is something like instant performance. So no car comes in this performance.
Buyer wants to choose 3 of us, he can see 3 and then he can come and book this car.
Yes.
He wants to see the everything, Nexon and MGV and this car also.
Yes.
Like when you want to book this car, delivery the instant or you have to wait for some months, you have to wait for this?
No, delivery is instant. So within, you can say within week or 10 days, if the vehicles are available in the stock, within week or 10 days I can deliver the car.
When you're already the stock is there, Godan is there, Hyundai Godan?
Yeah, Hyundai, actually the manufacturing is in Chennai, right? So from Chennai, if at all, usually we don't keep the stock. If the car is available in the stock, within 1 week I can get the car.
Because it's a premium car, the only people don't buy that. For that you don't keep in stock.
But that is only depends on the color. If the kit is available, the CKD kit will be always available. If the kit is available, that within week or 10 days they will build it and they'll give it.
I'm telling like normally people don't buy such cars. For a showroom don't keep for this. Only on display they'll keep. That only they keep it. Display they'll keep it. And normally people don't buy this such cars for normal city use. City use is expensive. What I think about it.
No. See, it is not like expensive and all. Today's market in India, the electric car is much the technology wise, because almost like 90% of technology is bought from international market. Okay, because of that it is expensive. See, if the battery is manufactured in India, then obviously you will not have much price. The price would be much cheaper when you compare to.
You're telling normal traffic also you can connect that is around for office use.
See, it is running cost about. See, why electric car? When you go and ask a layman why electric car, so he'll not know anything about the electric car. A person who like me or a person who are interested to drive electric car, who drives electric car, he will understand the cost of the running cost of the vehicle. It is less than 1 rupee. A same 25 lakhs car, you buy a Creta. You invest for a top-end model, you invest around 21 lakhs 55,000. So for 25 lakhs 55,000, sorry, 21 lakhs 55,000, this is 24.85. You are investing another 2.5 lakhs. Sorry, 3.5 lakhs you are investing more. For 3.5 lakhs what you are investing more, that you can get a reimburse in span of 5 years. Because this car, if you drive every day, if you drive 1,000 kilometers, your usage would be 1,000 kilometers per month. Okay. For a Creta, you can just take it as a diesel car. What is the maintenance what is your fuel cost for 1,000 kilometers? How much you spend? So that is the calculation what you are supposed to do. So 1 liter fuel, the petrol is around 83 rupees. So you get a mileage of around 10-11 in Creta. If you take a mileage of around 10 and to drive 1,000 kilometer, how much liter of fuel you want? So almost you are to drive 1,000 kilometer, you are spending around 4,500, 5,000 rupees on this one. What is that? Yeah, diesel. Okay. Whereas Kona electric car, if you are driving 1,000 kilometers, you know what is the expenditure? It is just an electricity bill of around 1,000 rupees. That's the highest one. Okay. So that is how you calculate, and when you calculate it for 5 years, so for 5 years, what you are saving? You are almost saving more than 2,50,000. 3 lakh rupees you save when you compare to a Creta.
Then what's the resale value? Like customers, like resale value when a guy automobile entity he buys this car for 1 year, he uses 1 year, he uses this car. Then he wants to buy some other guy. He wants to buy then what's the resale value like?
See, 1 year is too early to sell the electric car. See how electric car is good is if at all if you're keeping the car for more than 5 years. Electric technology. If you're keeping the car for more than 5 years, then it makes sense for you. Okay, because whatever the expenditure what you spend, easily you will get it back after 5-6 years. Whatever you invested, no, you will get back. But and also we give you a warranty of around 8 years or 1,60,000 kilometers. So that's it's called a lifetime warranty. So battery also does not require that you have to replace it. Up to 8 years, it's absolutely it's under warranty. So anything goes wrong, the battery, we as a manufacturer and company, we will take care about it.
We want to replace the battery in warranty.
See, it is not about the replacement of battery. Battery would not be replaced. The shells, whichever shells are weak, that particular shells will be replaced. That when you say it is about warranty, it is just that if you feel something, a performance drop, or if you have any problem on the battery, then you are supposed to directly leave the car for service. Give me a sec.
Like you have to keep for long time. You are telling to compared to resale value. It's not like a guy handed us the keys for one. He gives for buying for 6 months, 1 year is not
No. See, it is not recommended. See, no one will invest. People know that if at all if you are investing in a car, it is always depreciating value. Correct. So whoever is investing in premium cars, there are crazy people who change the car for 1 year. Okay, but same way, if at all if you are using more than 5 years, if you retain this car for more than 5 years, then that was value for money. Or else definitely it is not a investment for you.
For such cars, what's the resale market, the current market, like if you want to resell this or upgrade your car?
See, actually, this is too early to talk about the market. You can say it all depends on the battery, the driven range, and the warranty what we provide for battery, no? So that is how it has been calculated. So even I am not very sure about the resale value. Even we are not aware about resale.
In this vehicle, emission is required like or not? Emission test.
You don't have an engine. Why do you want emission?
Only the insurance will be better, sir, in this vehicle.
Insurance is only one thing what you have to be renewing. And second thing is what is it? What do you say? Alignment, wheel alignment. Only the maintenance, general maintenance, what you have to take care.
What will be the insurance for this car, like yearly insurance? It's like same like a petrol or diesel vehicle, or it's much higher?
It will be very cheaper than any other insurance.
Like you're telling 14,000 rupees, 14,000 in that amount will be.
Which vehicle?
Insurance for this is 14,000 per year.
No. First year for this particular car, insurance is about 80,000 rupees. Okay. So depreciating, see 80,000 rupees, that is because you are taking the insurance in company, once from the manufacturer. Whereas if you do an online policy, then you get around 10-15,000 rupees discount. So approximately your value would be somewhere around 65 to 70,000 rupees. So year on year it will be reducing.
I mean 10 to 5,000 be reducing amount every year you're telling.
Yes. Do you own any car? It's a multimedia. It is not about multimedia, it is about the music system.
No, it's Android Play system.
You do have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay.
You can play music, MP4 and that also.
Yeah, music also it is available. Where you can play the music as well.
You can play videos also.
Yeah. Video songs it's not possible. Only audio songs.
And it doesn't support your
video it will not support.
Only MP3 and navigation.
Yeah.
And it has a SIM card also for navigation.
No, you don't have a SIM card for navigation at all.
You have to put a phone to support this thing. You're telling.
But you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, whereas you should just connect your
phone to the USB.
Phone to the USB port. Then you can use the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay.
Then you have to get an Apple phone and then you have to connect
For
using
iPhone, no app is required.
Android.
For Android, you have to download an app called Android Auto. So in that, you should through that you have to activate that and you have to operate through that.
This is a 7-inch touch
It's a 7 inches touch screen.
And it comes with a wireless charger also.
Wireless charger.
And a USB port also.
Yeah.
For iPhone also you can charge this iPhone charger.
Yeah. Sure.
After this it will be available in all the Talent showroom, no? This car display piece.
This car is only available in Yelahanka. I showed you, no?
Yelahanka and Sankey Road, you're telling.
Sankey Road also it is not available. That is just that I'll be operating from this Sankey Road because it's a corporate office.
You're official person for this car.
Yeah. So here I'll be here. There is one more guy who sits in Yelahanka also.
Same like you are the official person.
Official person.
Who take test rides and tell the features of this car.
Yeah.
Bookings also you will do and who will do the booking, like anyone wants to book this car?
Everything I only take care.
All round you're telling basically.
This is the charger.
We'll get a sunroof also in this car.
Yeah, you do have sunroof also. So there are two types of charger. One is the AC charger. So whatever we provide you AC, that is the portable charger and the fast charger. This is the one. This is the one.
Only DC.
This is the DC charger.
This comes from Bestcom.
Yeah.
Bestcom is the meter charger, metered one.
Sorry?
Bestcom is the meter charger you're telling, na? We'll put in house charging it all, which comes with a meter.
This is the house charging, the fast charger and the portable charger. And this, it's in highways, you will be charging it. Come, you see this.
If you go any Hyundai showroom, we can charge this car.
Sorry?
Any Hyundai showroom, we are having this charging.
No, not every Hyundai showroom. It is only that you can charge it in exclusive. You have a fast charger only in Yelahanka. I told you, no? Only in Yelahanka you have a...
Sankey Road also.
In Sankey Road, here it is not available. Only in Yelahanka.
Okay. Both is same to MG equally, na? The both sizes comparable.
335 liters.
This is the official charger of this car. Hyundai Kona.
So this is the portable charger. You can take the picture of this. This is a half size 17.
R17 tire.
Sorry?
This is R17 tire. Tubeless tire.
R17 regular tire also it's after 17 only. But this is a tubeless tire and a half size. It's called D type.
For this car, it's a low profile tire or it's normal tire?
No. See, this tire, whatever you see, no? This tire is entirely different. Okay.
This company given tire.
Yeah, it's a company given tire and the main tire. Only in case that is radial and tubeless.
If tire is punctured, you can put this one.
No. See, rarely what happens, no? Even if the tire is punctured, easily it will not get deflected. So, in case of any emergency, then only you put that tire. And this is the portable charger what we provide you. This is type 2.
AC charger.
Yeah, this is the AC charger. And here it says the details of charging. And this is the 16 amp
house report.
Yeah, household charger.
With the AC ampere.
Yes.
Because the next one had the 6 hours that I told me for charging this full battery. Showroom that I told me like that.
6 hours? The portable charger or what?
Both that was 6 hours that told me like that.
No, 6 hours what happens? No, we do have a fast charger also. Which are about in 6 hours you can charge your 100% battery.
That all normal TCL that all the Bestcom current all that all it that 6 hours that told for next one that told me like that. Next one. For this year telling only 1 hour. How much you told? 1 hour? 1 hour?
No. This portable charger it takes about to charge your entire 0 to 100% battery about 17 to 19 hours. Okay. The fast charger what we provide you, that it will charge. It will get charged in 6 hours. But the fast charger it should be display like we will fix it in one place.
Okay.
That requires 7.5 kilowatt of electricity power.
Suppose sir, we can fit it in our apartments also. Apartments also, apartment also they can fit the charging.
It is not easy like apartment. What happens? No, association will not give you permission because this portable charger, yes, of course they have a provision. If you request, they can do it. But the fast charger it would not be possible to install because you need a separate 7.5 kilowatt of electricity power supply.
Because in apartment, one person has taken a practice could have taken actors and yes, he has installed in his basement. He has installed an actor battery package is installed. The other also can install the same battery can be charged this car also. No, actors put that battery charge.
You can charge it, but there you have option of charging only the battery. But here it is not. Then you have to charge entire.
Because apartment is in apartment provision given to install that in an apartment. The battery charging they have installed already. If the actors put that charging they have installed, using that charging you can power this car or it is different.
No, it is different. Directly only you have option of charging it directly.
For installation, what will be the cost? For apartment, if apartment give permission, what will the installation from the company side will be costing like?
It is not about like that. See, if apartment gives you a permission, you need wherever you park your car. There in that pillar, they need to draw a line around 7.2 kilowatt of power. To charge in fast charger, what we provide, you need 7.2 kilowatt of electricity power. So that you have to draw a separate line. So only if they give permission. So that you have to first talk to them, talk to association and
you put DC and they connect this.
No, it's a normal single phase power required.
In this car we can put mag wheel also.
Yeah,
like
it is a unique designed alloy wheel.
Now customers like to put mag wheel outside aftermarket. They can fit for this car, no? Mag wheel, no? Outside.
Aftermarket it is.
The aftermarket we can't fit for this car, mag wheels,
no,
like the modified mag wheels.
You can put it, but you have a tire pressure monitor system, no?
Okay.
So that sensor can be.
That is the problem.
Yeah, that is the problem.